Hello friends, today I'm going to fix this sandmill. This sandmill is making too much noise, so I doubt the bearings are no good. But to take out the bearings, I need to first empty the beads, the sand beads from this jacket. He will take out this the mesh, and then we're gonna open the top. As you can hear, it's making too much noise. So this sandmill is used to give gloss to the paint. So let's start. First, I'm going to remove this nut, and for that, I need to open these screws and even this one. So, and one over here. So let's get started. So these are the parts from the top. Before we put these parts back, we are going to clean them too. And now I'm going to open this bottom cover, this one, remove all these and take out all the beads from here. So I lose all this screw, and now I'm going to take down this plate. These are glass beads. So the next step is I'm going to remove these 3 screws, one on the other side, and remove this cover, and then I'm going to open these 4, 2, 3 and one more at the down. So these 4 big bolts, and we're gonna remove this whole piece, and later on we're gonna take this out. But first we are going to remove the cover and then the bolts. I remove the cover and you can see these belts. It's a big deal over there too. We have to remove these belts before we go further. To remove these belts, I already released the tension here to make it loose, have a gap. So I'm gonna push this motor in the front so the belt gets loose and I can take them out. I already take out all these belts, and now I'm going to remove these 4 bolts, and I'm going to secure this one to the forklift. So we take this out. We got this shaft in my shop. So now we need to take out the bearings. For that, we need to remove this, these screws, and then this plate. I take this ring out, and like here we have no space to put any cushion. So I'm using the big screws and tightening it so this plate comes out. Guys, I already take out one bearing. It was very hard to take this out and took me too much time. I keep tightening these bolts, but they were not long enough, so I have to use this jacking. I put this one here to push the bearing, and it's out now. Now I'm gonna remove this plate. I removed this blade, and now I need to take out this wheel. For that, I'm going to unscrew this 2 and 3 screws, and then I'm going to take out this fitting from inside. Once it's coming, this came out. Hope so. This don't give me hard time. I take this wheel out, and then by hitting here I removed this one from the big frame, and now by hitting this bearing, I'm taking this out too. So this one is almost out. The bearing is out now. I take out the bearing, so I'm gonna wash it and then check it how bad it is. I cleaned these bearings and just check that the bearings are making noise. So the bearings are not good. The number of the bearing is U339. I'm gonna order 2 new ones. Friends, we bought the new bearings for the sandmill. So we're gonna put it in the housing. Put in the housing, I will remove this ring. Perfectly fit. For this one, the bearing and the housing, I applied a little copy over here, then cut it in the middle and pull it down here. Now this is the next thing. I'm going to pass that shaft through here and tighten the bearing on this one. I use my small crane to push it out up. Now to put the pulley, first we put the wheel and then the middle push. Here we need this. Then keep the gap. Just start these screws and it's complete for now. So we are putting this down. We just put the bottom bearing and the wheel. Slowly. Okay, a little down. Okay, so we get this on position. I put one screw at the back. I'm going to put all other the same way. Now, you already fixed this hose. Everything on position. I'm going to put all the 8 belts one by one, passing through here and put it on the pulley. I am putting the belt now. As I put one side, this on the other side too. So these are loose. I'm bringing it down one groove at a time. I put this plate first and then by hitting with the wooden piece on top, I got this bearing down. I'm going to hold it first by hand, and now I'm going to use my back hand to tighten that. And after that, I'm going to make a tension on the belt and make them tight. Friends, I have already made the tension on the belt, and I already put the fuse back. So let's start and check the sound. Quiet, no sound for the bearings, and it's running perfect. Now I'm going to put this back at the bottom, and then I'm going to fill this spandrel with these. These are the glass beads. Each one here. I have cleaned this part, removed the old seal and put this a new foam seal with the silicone, and we're gonna let it dry, and in the meantime we are going to clean the screen for the sandmill. The bottom plate will get dry, and I put it back. Now I am filling up the beads. The help of this tray. I am cleaning the screen too. After putting the bead, I am going to put the screen back. Okay, so for the screening, I put the screening and keep this ring loose and slowly bring it down. So as you see, it's set to its position. Now I am going to tighten it slowly. But before I tighten the bottom one, I'm going to put this middle piece first. Okay, so I tightened the top one too, and now the screen is fixed. So let's start. And it's on. Running white. Everything will come up good. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and like too. Thank you.